Hello viewers, in today's video I will show you how you can install Lineage ROM on Huawei P20 Pro which is running EMUI 9.1. Viewers, you cannot unlock bootloader on EMUI 10, so phone must be downgraded to EMUI 9.1. As you can see, my phone is running latest EMUI 9.1 version. First thing, we need to enable developer options by tapping 7 times on build number and make sure OEM unlock is enabled under developer options. Then we need to unlock the bootloader of this phone. Viewers, bootloader unlock code is not free. Huawei is not providing code anymore, so you need to buy it from another service, third-party services. You can also buy it from me. You can connect phone in fast boot mode by powering off and then hold volume down and insert cable. You can see phone is showing locked and FRP is showing unlocked. And now we are going to unlock the bootloader. We will move to computer and here we will open CMD window, and here you need to type. First we will copy the bootloader code. Viewers, code is different for every phone, so this code will not work for you. You need to buy for your phone separately. Type fastboot space devices to make sure connectivity is okay. Then type fastboot space OEM space unlock space and then paste the code and press enter. When you will press enter, a warning on your phone screen will appear where you need to select yes by pressing volume up and then press power button to confirm your decision. And now phone will perform factory reset process and bootloader of this phone has been unlocked. Now this process is going to take few minutes. I have just speed up the video to save the time. Viewers, make sure you have OTG connector and one USB OTG drive. Only then you will be able to install Lineage on your phone running EMUI 9.1. So you need one OTG connector and one USB drive. You can skip most of the things in initial configurations. Once you reach home screen, simply power off phone and disconnect from PC, then hold volume down and insert cable to enter the fast boot mode. Now we can see the phone is showing unlocked, which means bootloader is unlocked. Now we will move to computer again and now we will flash TWRP recovery on our phone. Viewers, you can use official latest TWRP recovery for this purpose. Viewers, make sure you copy the Lineage ROM. I have downloaded ARM64 BVS version of Lineage 17.1. Lineage 18 will not work on this phone. Actually it will work, but it will not allow you to transfer data through MTP. So you need to copy the Lineage ROM and GAPPS if you want GAPPS, if you want to install GAPPS. So I will copy these two files on my USB flash drive. I have just made the custom folder on my USB drive, and here I have copied these two files, Lineage and OpenGApps. The Pico version I am using. You can use the other version also, but I would prefer that you use Pico version of GApps. Okay, these two files have been copied, and now next step will be to flash TWRP recovery on our phone. Simply open that CMD screen again that CMD window, and here we will type fastboot space flash space recovery underscore RAM disk space, and then simply drag and drop TWRP recovery on your CMD window. This is the TWRP recovery 3.3.1 version actually. So flashing has been successful. Now next step will be to boot into TWRP recovery mode. Now we will disconnect phone from computer and then hold volume up and power buttons simultaneously. We must keep holding these two buttons pressed until you see the screen where it says your device has been unlocked. Or you can keep holding these two buttons until phone shows TWRP recovery screen. So just keep holding even after logo, and when you see this screen you can leave the buttons. Okay, you don't see those three options on this screen. The message is shorter on this screen. Okay, now TWRP recovery booted. Swipe to allow modifications, and then you need to tap on wipe. Now first we need to check the USB connectivity. If USB is readable in TWRP recovery, once you have connected, you can check in advanced option. There you will see file manager, and here you can search for the folder OTG. If we can see it, maybe under storage. Let me find it. Yes, it's there, USB OTG. Okay, we cannot see any data, so we need to reboot our phone back to recovery mode. Select recovery and make sure USB flash drive is connected. Now phone will reboot into TWRP recovery, and now flash drive, the USB flash drive should appear in TWRP recovery. So we will proceed with next step. Okay, TWRP started. Tap on wipe, then tap on advanced wipe, and only tick in system partition. Okay, select only system and swipe to wipe. We will wipe the system partition only. Then you need to go back. You can ignore these errors. Just go back and tap on install. Then tap on install image. Then tap on select storage and select USB OTG drive where we have our ROM. Okay, in custom folder I have copied. So in custom folder we will tap on Lineage image, the Lineage ROM image, and select system image partition, and then swipe to flash. Now this Lineage ROM will be flashed to the system image partition, and this flashing process may take 1 to 2 minutes. Flashing has been completed. Now you need to go back. If you don't want to install GAPPS, you can simply reboot your phone, and if you want to install GAPPS, simply go back and again tap on wipe and then tap on advanced wipe, and now you need to tap on select system image and tap on repair and change file system, and then you need to tap on resize file system because there is no space for GAPPS on system partition. Once you have done it, you need to go back and tap on install, then tap on open GAPPS. Viewers, if you don't need Google apps, you can skip this step and swipe to flash. I think my phone just crashed, so I think I need to reboot in TWRP recovery mode. Viewers, if it happens with you, don't worry about anything. Simply reboot your phone to TWRP recovery mode. But I think it was not intentional. Maybe I pressed some button. Okay, we are back in TWRP recovery, and again we tap on install, then select storage, select USB OTG, and here in custom folder tap on open GAPPS and swipe to flash. And most likely it will fail. Yes, it failed because it is saying there is no space to install GAPPS on system partition. So we need to tap on wipe, advanced wipe, select system storage, system partition, change file system, and then resize. We will go back and then again install GAPPS. Now installation will succeed. You can simply press reboot system and then press do not install. You can disconnect USB OTG drive from your phone and let the phone start. Phone just booted up, and you can see some apps are crashing there. So the reason is we did not made a factory reset, so we need to perform factory reset on our phone. So to enter recovery mode, we will hold volume up and power button simultaneously. Power off phone and hold volume up and power button simultaneously, and I think TWRP recovery will appear, so we need to replace it with stock recovery. Only then we can perform factory reset. Viewers, don't wipe anything with TWRP. Simply tap on reboot and select bootloader, and phone will enter fast boot mode. Just connect phone with PC, and then we will move to computer, and here we will type command fastboot space flash space recovery underscore RAM disk space, and then simply drag and drop stock recovery RAM disk image on this CMD window and press enter. Once installation completed, we need to disconnect phone from computer and then hold volume up and power button simultaneously. Keep holding these two buttons until you see stock recovery screen on your phone. Okay, stock recovery booted. Now tap on wipe data factory reset, then type yes, and then press wipe data and factory reset again, and now phone will perform factory reset, and after that you can reboot Lineage ROM normally. It will not crash. Okay, now first boot can take few minutes, so just have patience. Your phone should reboot with Lineage ROM. You can see the Lineage just started the boot. Okay, we will go through the initial configurations. You can skip most of the steps because you can add these things later. You can add screen lock or fingerprint later. Okay, we are at home screen, and you can see Play Store is there because we have flashed Google Apps. Viewers, you cannot add Google Apps later. You have to flash Google Apps at the time when you are installing ROM, and here we can see the model number is showing our chip name, which is Kirin 970, and Android version is 10. The ROM is based on Android 10. and Lineage version is 17.1 with February 2021 security patch. I think now the newer version is also available of 17.1. Viewers, you cannot install 18.1. Okay, you can modify this ROM as per your requirements. I will just check the basic functions. I will try to connect Wi-Fi, and I will also check the camera. We will also try to log in to Play Store, Google Play Store, and we will try to download some application just to make sure that everything is working. Viewers, after first login, phone will update Google Play Store to newer version. So you can see it is automatically downloading the newer version of Google Play, and Google services libraries are being downloaded. Only after that you will be able to download any other application. Until this process completes, your apps will keep showing pending. Okay, so first let the Google Play Store update itself, and then you will be able to download any app. Okay, USB connection is also working, and I will try to install one older version of GAPPS, which usually works with all GSI ROMs. Okay, it did not work. So we will today I will show you another camera which is same like Huawei stock camera. Just simply search in Play Store one HW camera, which is basically one Huawei camera, and it looks like same as stock camera, and functions are also same. So we are going to check if this version really works on Lineage. The open camera is there, it works on all devices, but I just want you to give something customized, some advanced app, because this camera have only basic functions. So the other one which I am downloading, which is one HW camera, is same like stock camera application of Huawei. Okay, it is installed. Now I will try to open it. Viewers, the free version have ads in it, so you can buy the full version if you don't want to see ads. Okay, we will open the camera, and as you can see, the interface is same like Huawei stock camera. Even those options are same, and the image quality is also okay. So this is really good camera for Lineage ROM. So if you are missing stock camera app of Huawei, you can use this one. Even the Pro mode also works in this app. So I hope it will be helpful for you. So This is how you can install Lineage ROM. If you want to explore this ROM more, you can do it. I have only tested the basic functions. Wi-Fi is working, Bluetooth is working, SIMs are working, calls are working. So I cannot go through the deep analysis of this ROM. You can test it by yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos in future.